guys, it's Sarah. Today we are doing a collaboration with a very talented artist by the name of Michelle Galley. She has a YouTube channel named Grateful Creations. I definitely advise checking her out. She will be linked below. But the other reason why I'm doing this collaboration with Michelle is to bring highlight to her. We are going to be working together at the Fluid Art Boutique in Delray Beach, Florida. That is going to be October 8th, 9th, and 10th. Again, Delray Beach, Florida, October 8th, 9th, and 10th. And I wanted to give a try of one of her pearl pours, and I did not have any of the ingredients except for maybe one or two for this pearl recipe. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure what it's going to turn out like, but yeah, so this could be an absolute disaster because they are harder than they look. So if you want to learn pearl pours for one of the greatest artists, I would definitely check out Michelle's classes online at thefluidartboutique.com. And she's one of our guest artists and she will be there. So definitely sign up for one of her classes. We also have 6 other artists. One is myself. I'll be doing galaxy pours and landscaping or landscape galaxy pours, triple decker pours. I'm going to be doing 2 classes on my ninja swipes. This is the time to sign up. We've got Karen Dershin of Waterfall Acrylics. I can't even talk. Kathleen Osmore of Cause Creations, Mina Villegas of Mina Villegas Art, and Molly of Molly's Artistry. But also we have Erica Hughes of Erica Hughes Art flying over from Ireland, folks. She's coming over from Ireland. She's another guest artist. So please, if you're interested in taking classes with any of these instructors, be sure to check out the Fluid Art Boutique, and that link is also below in the description box. So enough of that. Let's give this a go. I've got a hairdryer. I've got all sorts of things going on here, but let's go over my paints. So this is the Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Very thin consistency, drizzles right off the stick. I have Pebbios Iridescent Green Blue, also right off the stick. This is Arteza's Prussian Blue. All of them are somewhat the same consistency. The only thing that may not be the same consistency or might be a little bit thicker is TLPs. Let me see here. Here we are, TLPs, this little piggy pigment in ore. So we are also using some pigments in this piece. And then finally, aside from my white base, I have Turquoise Deep. And yeah, so those are my paints. They're just about water thin. And then my white, which I've mixed up a lot just in case it doesn't work. I might have to give it a go again. Again, very thin. And this is a concoction of maybe 3 or 4 ingredients. I have a house paint, which is not satin enamel. I have water, Liquitex pouring medium, and Floetrol in here. So we'll see if anything comes out of it. So we are going to start. And then maybe we'll just move this around a little bit. And then I'm going to come in with the Prussian Blue. Permanent Blue Violet. And then maybe some gold. That does seem a little thick, so it may not show up. And then let's do some deep turquoise. And then maybe we'll stretch it out. So I am just gonna leave it as is and let it develop. As you can see, it's happening fairly quickly. I think I'm gonna, no, I'm gonna leave it just, I think I'm gonna just leave it be. And I'm gonna come in with some white here on this edge because I didn't stretch it this way. I don't like what's going on here, so I'm just gonna fill that in. I was gonna use the hair dryer, but I don't think I'm gonna need to. All right, let's give it a little torch just to make sure all the air bubbles are popped. Oops. There we go. Okay. I think I want to come in with a little bit of the TLP in this area as well. We've got some gold in here and some of the blue. Love what's going on here. This is so cool. So yeah, I'm really excited about this piece. We will come back in about 15 minutes to see how much more it's changed. Maybe it'll eat it all up. I can't even talk. I'm so sorry. All right, guys, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so I took a call and then I decided I wasn't sure I liked over here, so I added more paint. Then I took the hair dryer and I blew it out, so we've missed it. But it was all the same mix. I didn't change anything, but I'm really loving what's going on here. And I think I'm going to add a little over here now. So this is exactly what I did a few moments ago on the other side. I'm gonna add a little bit of the white, maybe some purple. We'll do a little more of the dark blue and some of the gold. I love how the TLP ore has laced up here. It looks so pretty. Oh yeah, I love this. So I'm going to keep it just as is. But this recipe only needs a couple of ingredients. I'm gonna come in here. Just blow that out a little bit. I might actually add a little white there because I can. Just that much. Kind of want that to. Oh yeah, I'm loving this. All right, guys, so we're gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, here you go. I love this. This is so much fun. Maybe when it's dry, I will add a little bit of embellishing, but I'm not even sure if I want to. I really love the end result. So I thank you guys for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep painting, smiling, and check out the Fluid Art Boutique. Bye.